Now if you look at question number 4, 3, here you have to simplify. The question is 6.3 by 0.3 into 0.1. So you copy the question as it is. You copy 6.3 by 0.3 into 0.1, and then here again in the numerator you have a decimal number, so you remove this decimal point and there is one digit here. So you put 10 into 10 in the denominator instead of this decimal point. Similarly, in the denominator we have two decimal numbers and each one has 1 and 1 digit in the 1 and 1 digit after the decimal point. So instead of 0.3 we write 3, and here we will get a 10 for this decimal. Similarly, instead of 0.1 this decimal point will get cancelled and we will have 10 in the numerator. So that means we have 63 into 10 into 10 in the numerator by 3 into 1 into 10 in the denominator. So I have cancelled 110 both from the numerator and denominator. So we are left with 63 into 10 divided by 3 into 1 in the denominator. So you can see 3 and 63 are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 21s are 63. That means we have 210. 21 into 10 is 210 in the numerator by 1 in the denominator. And this can simply be written as 210. Now if you look at question number 6, a car covers a distance of 276.75 kilometer in 4.5 hours. What is the average speed of the car? So here distance is given 276.75 kilometer and time is given 4.5 hours. We know the formula to calculate speed is distance by time. So we will put the values. Distance is 276.75 by time is 4.5. Again both of these are decimal numbers. So you remove this decimal point and you write here into 100 because there are two digits after the decimal point, and you remove this decimal point and you write into 100 into 10 in the numerator because there is one digit here, and we can cancel 1 0 both from the numerator and denominator. So we are left with 27675 in the numerator by 45 into 10 in the denominator. Now if you reduce these two, I have reduced this by 5 and then by 9. I got 615 in the numerator by 10 in the denominator. So I have 615 by 10. That means this is equal to 61.5 kilometer per hour. So our average speed will be 61.5 kilometer per hour. Now if you look at question number 8, the product of two numbers is 52.8. If one of them is 8.25, find the other. So product is given 52.8 and one of the numbers is given 8.25. Therefore, the other number will be the division of these two numbers because product means we have multiplied two numbers and then we got this result. So, in order to find the other number, we have to divide these two. So, we write 52.8 by 8.25 and both are decimal numbers. So, this decimal point from here, 52.8, you remove a decimal point and you write into 10 in the denominator. Similarly, you remove this decimal point from 8.25 and you write into 100 in the numerator. Now you can cancel 1 0 both from the numerator and denominator. Then we will be left with 528 into 10 by 825. So first I have reduced these two by 3. So on reducing 528 by 3 I got 176, and on reducing 825 by 3 I got 275. After that I have reduced these two by 11. So on reducing 275 by 11 I got 25, and on reducing 176 by 11 I got 16. And 5 can be divided by 10. So 25 can be divided by 10. I have reduced 25 by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. So I am left with 16 into 2 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. So 16 into 2 is 32 by 5. And if you solve this, you will get 6.4. So the answer is 6.4.